Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can set up different delivery fees in Commerce Pro module. So as you can see, this is store edit page, and to enable shipping you have to just click on this option. So it will show few other options. So here you have to enter the delivery fees amount that you want to charge. So I will enter 10. So I want to charge $10 if user is for users who are 15 kilometers away. So I'll put it 15 here. So for users who are away more than 50 kilometers away, it will charge $10. And here it is delivery radius in kilometers. So this is the maximum delivery radius that I want to allow or accept orders. So if you want to allow delivery from complete city, so you have to enter something like in thousands kilometers, or maybe in this case I want to allow just 100 kilometers. So users who are having distance of more than 100 kilometers, the system will not accept orders. And after 15 kilometers, it will charge 10 USD, and till 15 kilometers, it will be free. And this is the shipping delivery delay in minutes. So it will display this information in the checkout page, and this is the minimum order amount if you want to set. Now, I want to set different delivery fees now. So this is the basic or base delivery fees that will be charged for every user who are 15 kilometers away. Now I want to charge $20 if user is between 15 to 30. Okay, and if user is 30 to 50, I want to charge 30 USD. So I'll add additional area. So I'll give it the name as first slab. So this is just internal information for your reference. So here I enter 30 kilometers. So if user is 30 kilometers, then I want to charge additional 10. So it will be 20. 10 plus 10. So it will add to base price. So it will be 30. Now after 30 kilometers, it will charge everyone 20. And I want to charge now. So suppose you just want to have these two slabs. So 10 and 10, 10 and 10 plus it will become 20. And you want to charge every other person just 20 USD for up to 100 kilometers. Okay, so this is the setting for that. Now if I want to have one more slab, like I want to charge user who are 15 kilometers away additional $10. So I'll create second slab. So you can give any name, and I'll give the radius 15 kilometers, and I'll charge additional 10. So it will become 10 plus 10. Sorry, I'll have to keep it 20 here. So it will become base plus 20. It will become 30. So like this, you can create another slab. So you have to keep in mind that whatever slabs you are adding, the smallest radius will be on top. So 30, 50, 70, whatever range you want to create. So keep the smallest radius range on top, and then like this. So and whatever price you will enter here, it will add to the base price. And even base price, you can keep anything you want. So this is the basic setup for single delivery fee, or you can have multiple slabs. So how this works is based on the user distance. So whenever user place an order, he enters his delivery address. So and then the system calculates the distance between user's delivery address and store address, and then this it will charge the fee to the cart. So user will just see the final delivery fee. They will not see this different slab kind of stuff. So hope it will help you to set up this various delivery fees in Commerce Pro. And if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section. So I'll cover it in next video. Thank you.